G'day everyone, and welcome back to another Tuesday video. It's been a while and I apologize for that, but I am trying to get myself back into the routine of getting one of these midweek videos out at least every second week. As always, a very special thank you to all of our amazing patrons. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. Alright, let's jump straight into the topic of today's video. Shower awnings, or as they're also known, privacy awnings. In particular, we're going to talk about our Quick Pitch Quick Ensuite. Now, we've been putting the Quick Pitch Quick Ensuite to the test for the last couple of months now, so I reckon we can make an honest gear review video. We did cover the install of our Quick Ensuite a couple of months ago in a Friday video, so I'm not going to get into that too much today. Today, I'll be covering the setup, the pack up, and our overall thoughts on this product and why we got it. If you've followed us for a while now, then you'll know that our four-wheel camper has an exterior shower. Now, I would say that a lot of the time in wild camping situations over the years, a shower awning has not been necessary. We're quite often alone in these remote locations, and if we think someone may come strolling past, then we'll quite often shower in our underwear. In saying that, on an international overland trip, there have most definitely been times, and will be times again, when showering outside, even if it is in your underwear, is not really appropriate and in some countries could even be offensive. During our time in South Korea, Japan and Taiwan, we carried one of those awful collapsible shower tents. Now, this thing took up loads of space and it required an engineering degree to get it folded up and back in its bag. Once we reached Australia and had access to all of the goodies that the Australian off-road and camping scene has to offer, we decided it was finally time to get a real shower awning. The decision on which one to get was made easy after Mr. Ronnie Dahl introduced us to the Quick Pitch Quick Ensuite on a night camping with him. Ronnie connected us with a top bloke named Sean over at Quick Pitch Australia, and soon after we purchased the awning from him. Quick Pitch make two types of these awnings. The first one, like ours, is in a zippable canvas bag, and the second one comes in a hard case. We opted for the canvas type in order to keep the weight down. At only 6 kilograms, this thing is super lightweight. As the name suggests, this thing is quick to set up, and I mean really quick. 2 Velcro straps hold the rolled up privacy tent. Release them and the tent unfolds. Pull the frame from the right hand side and it opens up. The height of the ensuite is easily adjusted using these straps. The ensuite has entry options from the left or right, with a zipper running the full length. We chose to mount this ensuite under the cab over section of our camper, rather than at the shower, for 2 reasons. Firstly, to avoid adding additional width to our vehicle, and secondly, to reduce the chance of damage to the awning from branches, etc. when on narrow tracks. This meant we needed to extend our shower hose, which was easily done using a flexible, chrome-plated shower hose extension from the hardware store. The interior of the ensuite is very spacious, which I believe is an important feature. The last thing you want whilst taking a shower is to have the wet side sticking to your skin. A really cool feature of this ensuite is the zip access fold down section. We'll put our soap, brushes or other products on the Defender's tub, which acts like a shelf. As with any type of awning, you absolutely want to wait for it to dry before packing it up long term to avoid any potential mold issues. If you do have to pack up an awning wet, be sure to open it up and let it dry at the next opportunity. The pack up time for this awning is only slightly longer than the setup. Push the frame to the left, fold in the middle, push it closed, then roll the tent up. Now, of course, high winds will affect this awning, as it would with any of these types of awnings. There are weighted bars sewn into the base of the ensuite that will keep it steady in low winds. For stronger winds, there are loops to install tent pegs at the bottom and guy ropes midway. Summing up, I would highly recommend the Quick Pitch Quick Ensuite. It's most definitely at the higher end of these type of products when it comes to build quality and material. If you're interested in checking out this bit of gear or any of the other awesome products that Quick Pitch do, we'll throw a link in this video's description. When we are allowed to light fires again here in Australia, we'll be reviewing another bit of awesome kit we've got from the guys at Quick Pitch, which is called the Quick Barb. Now that's a collapsible braai. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it, and we'll catch you next time.
Shower in peace.
Sorry, Frenchie.